This is how to set up Android Studio, Git, and GitHub in under 10 minutes from the circuit breakers. Make sure to take this is for Windows, and there's more than this tutorial, and we're going to skip through a lot of the defaults. First is setting up Android Studio and downloading it. You're going to type Android Studio in your browser, and you're going to click download Android Studio from the first thing that pops up. Then you're going to download the latest feature drop and read through all the terms and conditions of it. Once you've read everything, you're going to click that button that says you've read and agreed to all of it, and you're going to press download. It's going to appear in your Downloads tab in the upper right corner. You're going to click Yes, and then you're going to click Next. Next, after this pops up, Next. Follow this. Then you're going to press Install. Then it's going to download for a little bit. Then you're going to press Finish, and it's going to open up after a little bit. And you're going to press Don't Send if this window pops up. And now you're going to go to Clone Repository, and you're going to press this next button right here, Next. Next, if this missing SDK thing shows up. Next. Next. Now you're gonna go to these Android SDK things and you're gonna accept it, and there's a few more of those, and it's just gonna download it. After that downloads, you're gonna press Finish, and you're gonna go to the clone repository, and you're going to have to download Git. Click Yes, and then after it installs, you're gonna go to this URL page, and in a new tab, you're gonna do this creating and linking GitHub thing. So you're gonna go to github.com, and you're gonna click on the first thing that pops up in your browser. Now you're going to go to sign up or sign in if you already have an account. And then after you sign in, so once you're signed in, now that's going to happen. You're going to go back to your Android Studio. And then you're going to go to this GitHub. And then you're going to press on that button and then log in via GitHub. Another page will open from JetBrains, and you're going to press Authorize in GitHub. Once that does, you can close out of that tab, come back to Android Studio, and then press Cancel. So now that you're in the screen, you're going to go to the Settings, and then press Settings. And in the left, you should see this thing called Version Control. And in Version Control, then once you're in Version Control, you're going to go and press Git. Now you're going to press your account right there, and then you're going to press OK. Next is downloading and opening the FTC SDK. So you're going to be in GitHub, and then you're going to type in the search box FTCRobotController. Type that up in the first tech challenge. You should click on that. Go to the code, and then download the zip. Once you do that, it should pop up in your downloads, and then you're going to open it once it finishes. You're going to use File Explorer, and a FTC RobotController folder will pop up. You want to click that, or right click it, and then you're going to copy it. And just select copy. Then you're going to go back to your Android Studio, and you're going to press the open button, and then in a new folder of Studio projects, you're going to paste that folder, and it's going to show up in it. Then from there, you can rename the folder, or rename that to whatever you want. Then you're going to press select folder. Once you do that, you're going to trust the project. From there, the Android Studio main window should pop up, and you're just going to hide this tab. It might take a while after you hide it, because it's just importing the FTC SDK still, so it might take a while. But you might get this pop-up, and it'll say, yeah, here it is. It says Microsoft Defender may affect like the IDE, and you're going to press that button that says include folders, and you're going to press yes. This pop-up might come, and you're just going to press X 2 times. It's fine. After you've done it, it's okay. After all that, you're going to have the Start AGP Upgrade Assistant. You're going to press on. Now you're going to want to execute some commands into the terminal in Android Studio. And at the end of this clip, there's going to be instructions on how to do that. So you can just pause the video to look at that. Now we're going to go over sharing your project on GitHub. And you'll want to follow those instructions, and those are the commands. And you're going to go to version control, share project on GitHub. Then you're going to add description and press that blue button. After all those boxes are checked, you're going to press add. And it's going to be pushing to the master. And that's going to say successfully shared project on GitHub. And now you're going to follow all those instructions. There's a lot right there, so you might want to pause. And we're going to learn how to push changes to GitHub. So after you made your change, you're going to go into the master, and then go to commit. Then you're going to add your message, and then you're going to commit anyway and push. And you're going to press those buttons, and it should commit successfully.